NGC 6188 and NGC 6164. Datum 201-40201. Fantastic shapes lurk in clouds of glowing gas in NGC 6188. About 4,000 light-years away. The Emission Nebula is found near the edge of a large molecular cloud unseen at visible wavelengths. In the southern constellation Ara. Massive. Young stars of the embedded Ara-OB1 association were formed in a quadruple sky over Great Salt Lake. Datum 200500913. This was a sky to show the kids. All in all, 3 children, 3 planets, the moon, a star, an airplane and a mom were all captured in one image near Great Salt Lake in Utah, USA on September 6, minus the airplane and the quadruple on the ground. This busy quadruple coincidence sky was visible L. Pioneer 10, the first 6 billion miles. Datum 199-80620. Q. What was made by humans and is 6.5 billion miles away? A. Pioneer 10 and last year was the 25th anniversary of its launch. More than 9.5 light-hours distant. Pioneer 10 is presently about twice as far from the Sun as Pluto. Bound for interstellar space at 28,000 miles per hour. The distinction. Xi 2-239, celestial impasto. Datum 201-11208. The cosmic brush of star formation composed this alluring mix of dust and dark nebulae. Catalogued as Xi 2-239 and LDN 1551. The region lies near the southern end of the Taurus molecular cloud complex, some 450 light-years distant, stretching for nearly 3 light-years. The canvas abounds with signs of E. Polar ring galaxy NGC 660. Datum 201-41108. NGC 660 is featured in this cosmic snapshot. A sharp composite of broad and narrow band filter image data from the Gemini North Telescope on Mauna Kea, over 20 million light-years away and swimming within the boundaries of the constellation Pisces. NGC 660's peculiar appearance marks it as a polar R. Galaxy Cluster A2199. Credit. Datum 199700122. It's bigger than a bread box. In fact, it's much bigger than all bread boxes put together. Abell 2199 is huge. In fact, it is a close, large cluster of galaxies, containing several thousands of galaxies centered around a central, dominant galaxy. Close, however, is only relative to other clusters.